When they tell you to go to court in Nigeria, we all know what that means. Even the government of Ogun State has lost court cases to Omoniles. I mean, government lost land with C of O to Omoniles. The case is still at the Ibadan Appeal Court today. So when I made a video on Wednesday about the Saddle Club in Berger in Lagos, a couple of people reached out to me and explained their story and said they basically lost the land to land grabbers. Now, I am not particularly interested in which party is wrong or right. There's a Supreme Court ruling on the matter already. Our own goal is simple. Government must facilitate housing development in the country. Regulate but facilitate. This is the ninth part of the series. The subject for consideration today is the role of the courts in land administration in Nigeria today. We all agree that the Land Use Act is problematic.
It's very possible for the government to allocate land to you. You have C of O, and then Omoniles will take you to court, and 20 years after, the court will say the land belongs to them. We need sweeping judicial reforms. Remember how the governor of Lagos State was embarrassed on the Magodo matter a few years ago? These things should never happen in a normal country. For me, I've always said the Land Use Act must be repealed and revised. But beyond that, our lords, the magistrates, the justices, and the judges of the courts may need to open the eyes of justice and consider public interest above legal argument, because the judicial system is a part of overall government policy. And is it possible to get land cases resolved faster, please? How do we solve these policy inconsistencies? Because they also affect the amount of investment in your housing sector. In summary, I'm saying our judges are a part of the solution to the housing crisis in Nigeria. When you're calling out real estate companies and you're calling out the executive arm of government, if you get mine, call out the judiciary too. There are multiple stakeholders in this field and every hand must be on deck.
Well, join us on TikTok this evening as we discuss how to own our own $20,000 homes and how to avoid lands with court cases on them. And as usual, if you have problems with your property, you can always reach out to us in the DM. If Jakonde could do it in 4 years,
It can be replicated today.
join us on TikTok this evening to examine the issues and on Instagram on Sunday evening.